everybody, it's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're going to be reviewing the Yeezy 450 Dark Slate. Let's get into it. First you got your normal 450 Yeezy box. It says 450 on the top. Then on the sides it says Yeezy 450 made by Adidas. And then the front of the box says Yeezy 450 Dark Slate, Dark Slate, Dark Slate. Size 6. And let's get into it. You're gonna open the box. You got the same normal cream tissue paper inside the box. Inside, that's it. Put that down and we're gonna get to the shoe. Here we go. Yeezy 450 Dark Slate. These were restocked on December 17th. That's when I got them on the restock. Just getting mine in. And these were the ones right here. I had the cloud whites, but I was like, I gotta get the dark slates because I assume that these won't get as dirty so fast. I mean, because it's all dark. And let's get into the description of the shoe. You got your all mesh material going around the shoe. It's a sock-like material, so it sticks. It clings to your foot real good. You got your black rubber going around the shoe that comes up to look like a claw. That's what I would say it looked like, but you know, everybody else say it looked like dumplings. So we'll go with that. It could look like a claw or some dumplings. You got your black bottom with your little ripple effect going on that says Adidas on the top of the shoe right there. On the inside of the shoe says Yeezy, and it says Ortholite Adidas. I don't know if y'all can see that inside there. And the back of the shoe, it has like a dark brown on the back of the shoe, and on the little two sides, it's a little different coloring from the dark black. But this could also go as a dark choco. That's what I would say also. So this would be my dark choco. And then when you got your shoestrings, all black shoestrings, they don't come with any extra shoestrings. The shoestrings are really just on the shoe because they really don't do that. And once you put this shoe on, it fits like a glove. So, I mean, you really don't need the shoestrings. So technically they just there for looks. But, I mean, hey, it makes the shoe look better. It comes with a tag that says Yeezy 450. Like I said, I got a US size 6. That's it for this shoe. This is the left shoe. Let's get to, oh, sorry, that's the right shoe. Let's get to the left shoe. Looks the same way. You got your black rubber claw dumpling look effect going around the whole shoe. Your black ripple effect on the bottom with your Adidas on the top. You got your black shoestrings, and then you got your all mesh dark gray, or you could call it black, but it looks like a smoke gray. And your black shoestrings, and then on the inside of the shoe says the same Yeezy Ortholite Adidas. I don't know if y'all can see the inside of that. And then the back of it got your dark brown little speckles on each little piece. I guess it's like the signature for this shoe to have a dark brown thing going around the back of it. Then you got your ankle area with all sock-like material. So once you put your foot in, you're pretty much locked in. You don't have nothing else to worry about. It's on your foot, solid shoe. And yeah, these were it right here. I had the cloud whites, like I said. These are the dark slates. I was so excited to be able to get these because they're dark, and I'm quite sure I can wear these with plenty more things. I love the cloud whites as I have these right here. And yeah, they do get dirty real quick. I mean, you can see a little dirt going on my shoes because I wear these often. You can see a little bit of dirt on the bottom, of course, from me walking around. But yeah, they got a little dirty. It's a little dirt specks here and there on the shoe. But I mean, overall, I wouldn't say they get totally just messed up by you wearing them all the time, because I wear them a lot and they're not as bad as I thought they'd be, as I have read. Some people say that they get horribly dirty, but I mean, I don't go wear mine in the dirt also, so they wasn't too bad. But yeah, this was the cloud whites, and then this was the dark slates. Y'all let me know which color you think was the best, the cloud white or the dark slates. I personally like both of them, but my best one as of now, I will go with the dark slates just because they're dark and I don't have to worry about it getting as dirty. But I love the cloud white, so I can't really pick. I love them both, so it's totally a preference. I know they also came out on the 17th with the Dark Slates was a resin. It was like a dark green colorway. I really wasn't feeling that colorway, so I was like, I'm not even gonna try to get that one. I know some people said it is different, which it is because it's real dark, like a military light green looking color, but I couldn't see myself with those right there, so I had to go for these Dark Slates. I was so happy to be able to get them. And yeah, the overall review of these shoes are they're comfortable. I mean, very comfortable shoe. Once you put them on, your shoe locked in. Even though they don't have the boost on them, it doesn't even matter. They're comfortable. You can put them on, wear them all day, walk around all day, and your feet will be just fine. They won't hurt or nothing. Sizing wise, I usually go a half a size up. So on the cloud whites, I have a 6.5, and they fit good, and I have a little extra room in them. But unfortunately, in the Dark Slates, I wasn't able to get a 6.5, so I had to go with the 6, and they still fit perfectly also. So I guess it's totally up to what type of foot you have. If you have a slim foot, you should be able to go either half a size up, or either you can stick to your true size. It's totally up to you and the comfort of level of the way you like your shoes to feel. So I mean, like I said, I got 6.5 in the cloud whites. They fit good, and then I got a 6 in these, and they fit just fine also. So it's totally up to you, but that's my what I gotta say about the sizing. I mean, that's the best way I can put it. It's totally up to your foot, unless you have a wide foot. Now, if you have a wide foot, I would say go up half a size just for that extra room, because once you put your foot in it, it's gonna cling to your foot. So you want to have that little extra room if you have wide feet. So, but other than that, this shoe is a nice shoe that you could just grab to go anywhere, anytime, anywhere. You can dress it up, dress it down. I personally like to throw mine on and wear them to the gym because it's a perfect gym shoe. I love the mesh and the sock-like material that clings to my feet, and they just feel so comfortable when I have them on. It's like you don't even realize you have them on because that's how light and comfortable they feel. So yeah, this is it on the Yeezy 450 Dark Slate. I mean, y'all let me know down in the comments below. Did you go for any one of the ones that came out on December 17th, the Dark Slate or the resin? Y'all let me know which one you went for, if you went for any of them, or just let me know if you don't even like them, period. Like, you might be like, why does people even like this shoe? But I mean, I was like that at first until I actually got them, and once I got them, I love them, man. I had to have these two. So we got the Dark Slate, and then we got the Cloud White Yeezy 450s. I would say they gotta be one of the top 10 Yeezys of the year. Both of them, they gotta be in there. Both of them have to be in that lineup somewhere because it's such a different shoe, and I like the way they just look different. And when you wear them, they're gonna draw attention, and people gonna be like, "What is that you wearing?" But you know that they draw your attention, so you know it must be something about the shoe, either whether they like them or whether they hate them, that they look down at your foot. So, but yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. Yeezy 450 Dark Slate. Let me give you a 350 of the Dark Slate. All right, and yeah, continue to like and subscribe. Continue to follow your girl on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all. But hey, until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.